Ping-tac-toe is one of the challenges from the game show Minute to Win It. The key challenge in this game is to bounce a ping pong ball off of a surface, through a window, and into a scoring bin, a cup. The player positions the balls to complete 3 in a row according to tic-tac-toe rules. In this modified version of the game, called Robotic Ping-tac-toe, 2 autonomous robots will use a similar skill set to play a similar game in head-to-head competition. The robots will alternate turns in which they may shoot a ping pong ball towards the scoring area. A robot should use the cameras to determine the current state of the game, formulate the next strategic move, and then shoot a ball that must bounce off the designated surface and go through the open window into the cup. Each team may use up to 15 balls during the match. 2 blue lights alternate, indicating which robot may shoot. The objective of the game is for a robot to connect 3 colored bins in a line, according to normal scoring configurations for tic-tac-toe. The first robot to complete a line is the winner. There may be at most 2 balls in any cup, and only the top ball will count. This means a robot has the opportunity to cancel one of its opponent's balls. If a robot shoots a 3rd ball into a cup, it will count as an automatic loss of that game. Robots will compete in a bracket-style tournament where the winner of the match advances. The matches will consist of 2 rotating rounds, in which the blue light will alternate every 15 seconds. In the event of a tie following these 2 rounds, a tiebreaker is held. During the tiebreaker, both lights will be illuminated, and the objective will be to score as quickly as possible during the allotted time.
Money. Yeah! Alright, guys. You guys are moving on. Alright, team 2 moves on.
We are now watching one of the tiebreakers from the actual competition.
Come on, Dex. Come on, come on. Dexter. That's his name. Oh, man. Oh, no. One in. Uh-oh.
Take advantage.
Oh! Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo!
There were 3 main techniques utilized to solve this design challenge. First was a pitching machine style, in which 2 rotating discs propelled the ping pong ball as it exited the barrel. Another tactic was air pressure, which created a cannon-like approach. Finally, gravity was used by one team by simply allowing the ball to roll down a long piece of PVC pipe. And now for a few highlights from the contest. Here we see the first successful autonomous 3 in a row of the competition.
Oh, nice.
In this clip from the finals between teams 14 and 5, 2 of the unique rules of the game come into play. In the middle of this round, notice that a cancellation occurs. That is, a ball from one team lands in a cup that is already occupied by the other team. Also, at the very end of this clip, a third ball is shot into a cup, an automatic loss for the offending team.
All right.
That's luck, man.
Let's say you have to call him.
Come on.
Okay.
Big number 8.
Nervous wracking right here, boy. Nerve wracking.
Come on. Come on, Dex.
Oh,
no.
We are, but you just gotta see. We just missed it.
They missed the win.
Cut we needed.
Set themselves up for.
Miss it.
Oh,
no.
That's tic-tac-toe.
Whoa. That's fact.
Come on, Dex.
Oh. Wow. It's getting ugly now.
Oh boy.
Yeah, this is a money shot. Oh, he sees it. He sees it. He can feel it. Don't get nervous.
It was the opinion of our team that 2 designs stood above the crowd in this competition, with a third design earning honorable mention recognition. Honorable mention goes to Team 2, as the team with the most visually attractive design and as the team that performed well in the tournament, making it to the semifinals. However, the day belonged to teams 14 and 5. These designs combined the form and function of a truly autonomous robot that not only rose to the challenge, but performed exceptionally well during the contest. Team 5's robot featured a closed-loop control to monitor a pressure release, which was triggered when the ping pong ball broke a laser beam as it exited the barrel. However, Team 14 won both the contest as well as the design award, as decided by Dr. Berg and the freshman engineering team. This design was the only one that did not require a pivoting base, but instead used varying speed on each spinning disc to create spin, which directed the ping pong ball to the appropriate cup. Outstanding individual efforts were noted by Team 5's Nick Hanks and Team 14's Jesse Miller. Nick stood out as an outstanding mechanical designer who designed the intricate closed-loop system featured on Team 5's robot. Jesse Miller stood out for his excellence in software and programming in creating the intricate programming that led Team 14 to the winner's circle. Overall, the designs of the ECE 495 class were both creative and sometimes functional. While a few robots did not perform as expected, others performed admirably under pressure.